Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic obstacle detection and audible alerts blind stick. So this blind stick will detect the obstacles with help of the IR sensor, and automatically it will provide the audible alert for the blind persons. So in order to intimate them about the obstacle presence before colliding to them. And here coming to this IR sensor, so we can see this IR sensor consists of two LEDs. So this transparent one is the transmitter for IR rays, and this black color is the receiver for the IR rays. So if is there any obstacle presence in front of this IR sensor module, means IR LED pair, then the transmitted IR rays will reflect by the surface of this object, and the reflected rays will be received by this IR receiver module. So that signal will given as input to the Arduino Nano board which we are using here. So based on the signal received from this IR receiver module, our Arduino Nano board will trigger the pulse to this buzzer, which is a 5 volt operated directly. So here, whenever the obstacle detects, it will provide the 0 volts to the controller, and if no obstacle, it will provide the 5 volt to that. So the drop voltage will be happen due to the receiving of IR rays which are reflected by the obstacle. So coming to the interfacing connections, the IR sensor interfaces to the 12th pin, and the 13th pin is interfaced to the buzzer here. So the whole system getting power supply from this lithium ion battery, which is of rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge the battery, we need to connect the B-type charger to this charging port. So now the charging port, like B-type charging port here, so just connect this to the TP4046 charging IC. So this chip will take the input from the charger. So we have provided that to the 2 volts input to this adapter. Okay, and now switch on that. So then the battery is charging now. So if the battery is fully charged, then automatically the red light goes off and blue light will get switched on. So that's it's an indication of the battery is fully charged. So from there we can utilize that. So anyways, we'll provide this charger also for you. And so there's a main on-off switch will be there. So that switch will allow the power supply to the whole circuitry. So that is a 5 volts power supply from this one. Input to the sensor, input to the nano board, input to the buzzer. So based on the obstacle detection, it will provide the audible alerts. So let us see the demonstration. So when we switch on the kits, only when obstacle player detects, then only we'll get the light indication on this one. We can see that. And there is a audible alert. So if it's continuously on, we should check the external heavy lighting should not fall on this IR sensor module, because it will affect with the high sunlight. So in real time, we can go with the ultrasonic sensors also to detect the obstacles in both sides, like 3 sides, left, right and front.